Should you buy a playable node? Hey there guys, and welcome to the crypto world. Before we start with the video, let us tell you about today's sponsor, Gate.io. Now for those of you who don't know Gate.io, Gate.io is a platform to which protects your funds with both centralized and decentralized methods. It is also the first exchange to invest millions in security and love funds to add extra protection for the users. Using Gate.io, you'll be able to trade, buy, earn and stay up to date with everything around crypto. We will leave a link in the description for you. With that being said, please do remember that this video is not financial advice, so before investing any money, please do your own research. And now to the video. Today we will exploring Playable, popularly known as the gala competitor, which has exploded in popularity on Twitter, and I will explain why. First and foremost, they are accessing the gala space with the intention of playing to earn games, which are free games that cannot be entered without paying for tournaments, competitions and other activities. This, I must say, is oddly similar to gala, even down to the spelling in the name. Today we have a lot to talk about in this video. If you've attempted to find something similar to gala in the past, this is the eBay of gala. This is why my channel is so unique. I provide you with content that will set up for success. Today I'm going to discuss why you should or shouldn't buy Playable node. To begin with, this is a great opportunity to get it on the ground floor, especially if you missed out on gala games and nodes when they were really cheap, like the end of 2020. Early 2021. As I previously stated, a lot of people are still skeptical about them, so they did not get in on it and instead waited and were priced out of actually being able to get a node for themselves. So I previously stated, this is going to be a great opportunity. The Playable node statistics show that 409 nodes have been sold out of 50,000 at the moment. Even though their current node price is 500 per node, every 100 nodes sold at that price, it goes up to 100. So when we get to 500, you will pay 600 for a node. Keep in mind that if you want to get in, just saying it is right now before like the perfect time. The longer you wait, the more expensive it becomes. Another advantage is that you know you're getting a license for a node when you buy a gala node, and you're actually installing that node on a server, whether it's a virtual private server or a physical server. That you have that you are actually running a node, and that is the plan here. But Gala Games has talked about creating NFTs for node holders so that their nodes can be transferred and stuff. And in this case with Playable, you're already getting an NFT off the bat, but you don't actually have, you can't run a node off the bat. The NFT is just a placeholder until they launch the nodes. Playable is also attempting to create a platform here where other game creators can come to them and they will assist them launch on the Playable network, unlike Gala Games, which does all of their development in-house. One of their missions in Playable is to internally and sponsor games created by the best gaming developers in the world. But in order to do so, they will build their own blockchain, release node and bullcoin, which will serve as the foundation for the entire Playable universe. It may be similar to Gala, except that this is built on Avalanche, also known as AVAX, whereas Gala Games is built on Ethereum, and they are also launching their own chain called Gala. Ethereum is a good move since the Ethereum blockchain becomes congested with extremely expensive gas prices, but AVAX has very low fees and is really fast. They also included a section for YouTubers who have uploaded films. Isn't that wonderful? Playable also offers play-to-earn games that transport you to another world, immerse you in the experience and allow you to try on different identities, directing ownership, design and economy of these games to the players and rewarding those players with in-game assets that they own. They also adhere to a set of 6 principles. Immersive games are the best. Games should be of the greatest quality. Gamers should have control over the games they play. Gamers should be able to sell all of their earned in-game assets to others if they choose or need to. Gamers should be able to be rewarded for their dedication. Each game should be owned by a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, that will continue to operate even if the company does not. I know you might be wondering that, what will I be buying on Playable node, or what will be my benefits buying Playable node? Well, Playable DAOs. A DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization, will own each playable game. You must purchase an NFT for that game in order to join the DAO. The ability to vote on impending game modifications. The NFTs that provide you with DAO ownership will provide you with the following benefits. This will not make you a game designer or developer, but it will allow you to influence how the developers approach certain aspects of the game. When major decisions affecting the game's direction must be made, the DAO NFT holders will be asked to vote on them. Have your say if you enjoy video games. So, what exactly am I buying? When you buy a Playable Games Masternode, you're buying a license to operate one. You're not going to buy any gear. The activation of the Masternode takes place in 3 steps. The computer hardware required to run the Playable Games Master must be provided by you. To earn the daily rewards, node must be in your Playable Games wallet. Rewards. We don't need much computing power in stage 1. Therefore, all you need to install on your PC is the licensed software. We'll need more computational power in stage 2 as Playable Games releases games. Stage 2. Each master node license holder will need to download and activate the node software on a single machine. The computer's processing power isn't crucial at this point. People who possess more than one master node can install the node software on a single computer and receive rewards for all of the master node licenses in their wallet. Stage 3. All master node software must be activated on each computer individually. This is to ensure that the Playable Games blockchain has enough computing capacity to function properly. At this point, the cost of running a node should be less than the daily benefits earned. The following is an estimate of the timing for the 3 stages. Stage 1. From the start until the end of the first 6 months. Stage 2 lasts from 3 to 6 to 9 to 12 months. Stage 3 occurs after a period of 12 months. Around 83% of all game purchases are now made digitally. Coin nodes Playable. It is best to design your own node system that supports your ethos in order to establish a secure distributed blockchain. As a result, the data you save on the blockchain can exist endlessly and independently while remaining completely scalable. Only our nodes will be able to get our bullcoin. As a result, our node owners form the foundation of Playable Games. We feel that as a vital component of the ecosystem, owners of nodes should be handsomely compensated. Nodes form the backbone of Playable ecosystem and the owners are rewarded with bullcoin. When creating a game, one of the first things to consider is the setting in which the game will take place. This opens up a world of possibilities that has only just begun. You enjoy playing this game as well as the atmosphere, experiences and memories that you have here. Why not settle down and buy some real estate on this planet? Playable Games will sell land on each of the game worlds it creates. Anyone will be able to buy land and construct or have constructed a structure on it. Only the world on which your land is constructed and your creativity limit what you can achieve with it. Playing incredible games, having a say in how they're generated, and being able to own land in the places where the games are created. You're about to enter a new and exciting era. That will be end of our video today. And thank you so much for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.